Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys lava phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show guys lava phone guys apps notification how to turn off on lava mobile. Friends, you don't want to use guys apps notification, you want to turn off app notification on your lava mobile. So friends, now let's see how to turn off apps notification. Example friends, you don't want to use phone Chrome notification, drive notification guys, your game notification, Instagram notification. So friends, how to turn off apps notification. Open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, click here notification setting. After notification friends, click here apps notification setting. And friends, you can see there are only 4 and 5 apps. So friends, click here most recent option. Friends, you can see turn off most recent, most all app settings. So friends, click here and friends, all app will show here. So if which app notification friends you don't want to use on your lava phone device, you can turn off from here. Example friends, Chrome app notification friends you don't want to use on your lava phone device, friends you can turn off. After off friends, you cannot use Chrome app notification on your lava mobile. Friends, you can see we cannot use notification on this on lava phone device. And friends, you want to use your Chrome notification is off, so you can on from here. Right side click here, you can on from here. So like that friends, which app notification. And friends, direct you can search your app. Friends, you don't want to use your YouTube app notification, so friends you can off your YouTube app. Friends, you have WhatsApp, so friends search your WhatsApp setting and you can off your WhatsApp notification. Friends, you don't want to use your Instagram notification you can off, you can on from here. So like that friends, we can off and we can on apps notification on lava mobile. So I hope friends you understood how to turn off and how to on apps notification on lava mobile. And friends, you want to check your lava mobile apps notification history, so guys on your lava mobile app notification history and you can check your lava mobile apps notification history. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.